So the idea number 33, project improvement of self-development through grassroots sport. Why I choose this idea? Because nowadays many people are not so self-sure. They have maybe knowledge and some issues, and they know how to reach something, but they are too shy. Why they are too shy? Because they miss self-confidence. So through some kind of sports, for example, grassroots sport is for everyone, and cooperating in the team, they might become more self-sure. Why? Because if you are in the team game, you got support from your team, from your captain of team, and you are actively sport. And for example, if you have some complexes about your visual view or physical shape, you just with the help of the sports you also get fit. So that's why I think it's a good project. If you have any questions, just ask.